Welcome. Come on in. I'm so happy to see you. It's been a long time. Come on into the kitchen. It's Earth Day week here in New Hampshire, and I'm so excited to start this series of sharing with you the beautiful outdoors, the gardens that we've started, along with a lot of family fun. I live in an old 1700s cape that I'm going to show you around, some old plantings, and we live on the edge of some wild woods that we get to explore also. So each segment we're going to see what's in bloom, see what we're harvesting, and a simple, fun, delicious food that we can share with our family and friends. I've missed seeing all of you, and this is such a great way to connect. I want to say a big shout out to all my friends out there, and friends near, far, and wide. So thank you for joining me. We're going to explore what's sprouting up outside.
Want to come with us?
So the chives are one of our earliest spring growths. And these chives are from the onion family. Did you know that? Wow. I'm just gonna cut these down as low, close to the base as I can. See how there's all that grass in there? I don't really want to bring that into the kitchen, so what I do is give it a good shake.
I'll hold it.
Yeah, and then you can hold that from there. Everything's waking up. Aren't we lucky and happy to have spring here? That's how we're going to do this, one foot in front of the other. Inch by inch, life's a cinch, right? Back up to the house and take off your big old boots. Go in the kitchen. All right, let's wash our hands. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Now let's watch the chive. Can I help?
You're gonna give them a bath?
They're in.
Yeah.
I use some more cold water in.
Get all the water off of them. Just want to cook them in oil. What we need today are two things. Some fresh chives.
Scissors.
And some olive oil. And the tools we need are scissors.
I have the little scissors.
They're for you, yes. And actually what I'm going to do is pour our olive oil into a nice jar. You can use a blender if you don't have an immersion blender, but I'm going to use this immersion blender to mix up our chives and the olive oil after we chop them up. And our job is to cut these into little bites. Yes, I'm hoping you will. So what you want to do is hold it like this and give it a little haircut.
Can I do it?
Yes. Good job. That's it. And some more. Good job. Oh, there you go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So, what we're going to do
They're almost like beans.
is put this in our olive oil.
Can I do it too?
Sure. Let's do this last little bit. So we have plenty in there. This is tricky business. Oh!
What did my scissors do?
Okay, let's put these scissors down and let this immersion blender do its job. delicious green oil. And you know what? We're gonna just put it on our little saucepan. And we're just gonna heat it up for 3 minutes. Not too long, just long enough for us to clean up our steaks. So we're gonna take our chive oil and just strain out the green matter, but all that good flavor is gone. Ooh, isn't that a pretty green? It's a spring green, huh? And then very carefully, just gonna use my vessel. So, we've got some beautiful chive oil. Thanks for coming to our kitchen and sharing this chive oil recipe. We're gonna have this with our dinner tonight, and we get the wonderful flavors of spring chives that will last for a very long time.